By 1944, the net had begun to close on Germany. The perimeters of the Third Reich were steadily shrinking. The Luftwaffe, its strength now drastically depleted, was hastily preparing for the inevitable Allied invasion. On the first day of the invasion, some indication of the disparity between the Luftwaffe and the Allied air forces can be gauged from the fact that by comparison with the 100 fighter and 175 bomber sorties mounted by the Luftwaffe, no fewer than 14,674 were flown by the Allies. On the beachheads themselves, the Luftwaffe was noteworthy for its virtual absence. Although they were slow to respond, the Luftwaffe did rush over 1,000 fighters to the area within a week, thus stiffening the opposition. By the end of June 1944, Allied air superiority was such that most Luftwaffe units were suffering from depleted strength and low serviceability. With the transport networks under constant attack, ferrying of new aircraft to the front line was virtually impossible. By September 1944, the worsening situation had forced a general reorganization of the command structure within the Luftwaffe. The majority of its remaining force was committed to the defense of the Reich, and in particular the remaining oil installations, for fuel was beginning to run out. In all, 70% of the Luftwaffe's total strength was earmarked for the defense of the oil industry.